Good morning, friends. Welcome to MSL English Grammar YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates. ITA multiple choice question for ITA competitive exams. First one is, which special file is used for narrow work? Four options are given: A, B, C, D. First one is pillar file, square file, dreadnought file, swill pattern file. What is the answer? First one question is special narrow work. Used for narrow work is a pillar file. Used for pillar file. Next, question number 2. Which gauge is used to check the gap between the meeting parts? The simple question. Gap between meeting parts we use for feeler gauge. Gap between two meeting parts. Which material is used to clean the slip gauge? Which material clean the after working work completed, the slip gauge is protected for which material for used for cleaning? For rust, some airness, that all protected. Some this one added wax, kerosene, soluble oil, carbon tetrachloride. What is the answer? Third one is carbon tetrachloride. Answer is carbon tetrachloride. Which material used to protect slip gauge from rust? Which is used for prevent for rust, slip gauge for rust? A, oil. B, wax. Next, C, kerosene. Next, petroleum jelly. This one is the answer, petroleum jelly. Question number 5. What is the name of the heat treatment process for reheating the hardened steel to a temperature below 4000 degrees centigrade followed by cooling? The 4 temperature degree will be heating treatment will give one temperature, but after that will be cooled, followed by cooled. That process called, what is that process called? Annealing, hardening, tempering, normalizing. This is a cool processing, a normal processing. Answer is normalizing process. Next, what is the purpose of annealing in steel? What purpose annealing operation can do in steel? To add cutting ability, to increase wear resistance, to relieve the internal stress, to refine the grain structure of the steel. Next one, to relieve the internal stress. Annealing process and done, the internal stress will be relieved and all material property are equal, same condition states. That answer is relieve the stress. Relieve the internal stress. What is the advantage of wing nut? This is a wing nut showing in coach building work, heavy duty assembly work, loosen and tighten without wrench, provide decorative appearance. Loosen and tighten without wrench, hand tight can done in hexa frame. Answer is loosen and tighten without wrench. Next, question number 8. What material is used to make radius and fillet gauge? What material is used for radius and fillet gauge? Material name. First one, tool steel. Next one, hardened steel, high carbon steel, medium steel. The radius gauge, fillet gauge is commonly made tool steel. No, this one confused. What material is used to make radius and fillet gauge? Sorry, hardened sheet steel. Answer is hardened sheet steel, because fillet gauge is a C type of gauge. That is, a tool steel is a hard, but because of hardened steel seat. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Which key has rectangular cross section is fit into keyway cut on both shaft and hub? Which it is a rectangular shape will be cutted, rectangular shape. Which key? Sunk key, feather key, flat saddle key, hollow key. Answer is sunk key. Sunk key is the rectangular size will cutted, same. Next, question number 10. Where is circular taper key used? Circular taper key, where is used? Light duty transparent, B. Directional rotation, lengthy shaft, taper shaft. The normally circular taper key used for only light duty work, only simple light duty work can be used. Answer is A. This use only light duty, heavy duty not use this one. Next, 11. How the plan bearing are kept in a position without allowing them to rotate along with the shaft? How to fix in the bearing in rotating, allow this only rotating on the bearing, not move the shaft. What is helpful for this one? By clamp, by bolt and nut, by key or screw, by locking device. What is the answer? Answer is by key or screw. By key or screw used this one. Next, question number 12. What is the advantage of lock washer? This one showing lock washer for in your vehicles in some required position can be used this lock washer. Provide increased bearing surface, prevent the damage to the surface, distribute even pressure on working surface, prevent bolt or nut from loosening under vibration. This one is the answer. This is common. Preventing the loosening under vibration when running machine or running bike, that vibration had no. That time nut easily cannot lose. This lock nut can be used. Answer is D. 13. Question number 13. What is the advantages of using jib head key? Jib head key is why using it more application. Used for taper fitting, can be withdrawn easily, provide unidirectional torque, good in high speed application. What is this one? This one is a can be withdraw easily, can fix and withdraw easily. That a one is keyway, one is hole is there. The keyway is this position. This position is keyway. We fixed the keyway in easy direction, but simply remove simply, withdraw simply and fix it simply. 14 number, question 14 number. Which file is used for finishing sharp corners? Which file is for stripping sharp corners? While machining will be done the object on job, the job is some burrs, some chips are in the hold in the that machining position. Which file for used to remove that finishing sharpness? Pillar file, Riffler file, Barrett file, watering file. This one is used to what a difficult question. This pillar is not the heavy duty. Riffler file no. The Barrett watering file is there are other purposes. Barrett file is the answer. Question 15. What is the purpose of feeler gauge? What is purpose? Feeler gauge check the depth of the drill hole. Feeler gauge. That one is marked on this shape types feeler gauge seats. This type of seats. 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, rightly. Like purpose for feeler gauge. Check the depth of the drill hole. Check the pitch of screw thread. Check the radius of the workpiece. Check the gap between the mating parts. Commonly, this one is the answer. Gap between mating parts. They check the two different mating parts. Then gap. How much gap is there? That could be identified feeler gauge. Thank you.